Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Rithika's World. I am Rithika. Today, me and my brother are going to be showing you some very simple and easy yoga asanas. For those who don't know about yoga, yoga is a type of exercise in which you move your body into various positions in order to become more fit or flexible. Benefits of yoga are it improves strength, balance, flexibility to muscles, and improves your heart health. Relaxes you to help you sleep better and reduce stress. So now, let us start with Rithvik Suryanamaskara with mantras.
ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ ऊष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मारीचे नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः
Now that we're done with the yoga poses, I'm going to be showing you some 4 very simple breathing exercises, also called as pranayama. While doing these pranayamams, what you need to do is stay calm and concentrate on your breath. You can sit in any of these 3 poses while doing these pranayamams. It's your comfort. The 3 poses are normal sitting pose, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Now I'm going to show you the first breathing exercise. What you need to do is go into chin mudra like this and put it on your knees and then sit straight and breathe in. Hold it and breathe out. You're going to be doing it like this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to be showing you the second breathing exercise. For this, what we're going to do is take our right hand and fold down the index and middle finger like this. And then block your right nostril with the thumb and breathe in with the other nostril. And do this with 3 count. And then hold your breath for 3 count and then release your breath for 3 count again. You're going to be doing this on both sides of your nose. So now let me show you how it's done. Now for the third breathing exercise, what we're going to do is do the same hand pose, but now we're going to breathe in with one nostril and breathe out with another. And we're going to repeat the same process with the nostrils. So now let me show you how it's done. Now for the fourth breathing exercise, what we're going to do is sit like this with chin mudra and breathe in and breathe out with your mouth. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!